Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Royce. I am your runner. This is a first-time Airsoft player. Andy's my nephew, so I hope he has a good time, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into the gameplay.
This gameplay is sponsored by Kiowa Creek Airsoft in Bennett, Colorado. Thank you all for checking out the channel, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to keep up with all of my shenanigans. Welcome back to another gameplay video. I am so excited to share this week's video with you because my nephew Michael decided to come out, and this is his first game of Airsoft ever. So this whole game I was focused on making sure I could run him around the field as much as possible and show him a good time. And I think I was somewhat successful because I think he's hooked. I hope you all enjoy, and I hope you stick around to the end to see how he thought of his experience.
Okay, let's get you in the town. Let's get you in the town so you can have some fun. Okay, that's a field ref. Okay. No, I don't have eyes. All right. Michael, do you see that building right there?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go for that. All right?
Yep.
Okay, 1, 2, let's move. Where they at? Where they at? Okay. Shooting over the top of you, I am. Okay, I got one. One dead. We got 3 or 4 of them that were scanning across. I'm dry, reloading. Hit! Look. The medic's hit.
Medic, behind you.
Medic down.
Death approaches. I'm great. Medic.
Do you see him, Michael? You got eyes on anyone?
Medic.
There's a fucking
Where? Medic. Where? Please. Both medics are down.
give me a good call out, man. I can't pop this corner if I don't know where I'm shooting.
Go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
One left.
Is there anybody on the right in this house down here?
During this game, there was actually a bounty on my head. Whoever got me dead first actually won a patch from the field, and the field marshal had to run around and verify the kill. It was kind of intimidating and kind of scary because I get a shot a lot already anyway, so the field refs decided to make it interesting for me.
Shit. Hit! 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 9, 10. Back in. Okay, now I can tell you. There's a grouping of trees up here. This guy's got a really good angle on us, and it's really hard to pop this right corner. Huh? Well, if we can break his med, he has to retreat or pull out a pistol. So. Where are you? I want you. Hey, we got guys moving to the right. Michael, you do not have the range on them. They are moving to the right outside the forest edge.
Copy that. Watch him.
Okay.
What? You know who tagged you?
I don't. It was a sniper over here. It was a sniper over here. All right. Yeah, it was somebody over here, man. Okay, Michael, here's what I want you to do.
Yep.
All right, you see this tree, and then there's a pile of shit over there. Do your best. He's right here on the right, guys, come on. He's sneaking up.
Where?
In between the trees by that metal tin. Okay, get up over there.
All right.
Okay, go. Go, get up over there. Keep eyes, keep good eyes. Get down, attaboy. Attaboy.
Go, cover.
Cover me. I'm in a shit spot. Moving. Hit. Shit, hit. Hit. Yeah, attaboy. Come on. It's all you right now, man. Attaboy.
As I watched this kid grow up, and now he's in his first Airsoft game, I was so happy right here to just watch him play the field and figure out how to engage enemies.
That's all I can give you.
Maybe I'm a little weird for it, but I was a really proud uncle right here.
Medic! You know what? All right, calling for respawn. I'm going back to respawn. So we're going back to Michael's first respawn. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking.
Is it fun?
Screwed. Yeah.
Screwed. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna come back with me?
Totally.
Sweet. All right, you guys heard it here first on my channel. I have brought in a new player. So we're gonna get back to respawn and we'll get back to the game here in just a sec. Fuck. I don't know if I'm gonna cross that way though, because that's a hell of a line of sight on me. All right. Okay. Michael?
Yeah.
I want you to move up to the next cover, okay?
Where?
This next cover. Straight in front of us.
Yep.
All right, move up to it, get there. Okay, stay low. Low and fast, go. You good? Yeah. You didn't break my gun, did you?
No, doing fine.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he's gone swim.
Shit, where is he?
Right here, about all of our team was engaging with one guy who was running an HPA saw in the middle of the town. And he absolutely held all of us down and kept so many of us not moving.
Yeah.
It was kind of difficult and in some parts frustrating, but it was a good experience. And not only that, my nephew kind of laughed at how much ammo the guy had to just sit there and spew at us for a while. It was a good time.
What? Shit. I'm spotted. Hit!
That's the moment I found out that my brand new ASG CZP09 was out of CO2. And later I found out it's because the seals in the brand new mags were completely broken. I kind of want to do a video on that. Let me know in the comments section down below if you want to hear me voice my thoughts on the CO2 version of the ASG CZP09.
Hit! Hit! Wow, I don't know where the fuck that one came from. That was far though. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's so much easier than walking back to respawn. Oh. There's a sniper out here somewhere.
Yeah, there was one right side I got him. He can reposition.
Fuck it. Michael, you're out. Listen to the sound of your gun. Swap mags. Watch your face.
Yep.
That guy's into lighting people up.
4-star guy?
Huh?
4-star LMG guy?
Yeah.
As I said earlier, that HPA saw kept us all pinned down for quite a while. So instead of sitting here and letting you see about another 10 minutes of us trying to figure out how to take this guy out, I'm just gonna fast forward the video a little bit and get closer to the end of the game.
We got people coming off on the right. Watch that right side, forget about him. Where? Okay, I don't have a good visual on that.
Right here, my head camera died, and I didn't have any more head camera footage to show you guys, but I still had such a blast with this part of the game that I didn't want to cut it out and leave it out either. This is the ending, and I decided to go around the right flank of the field instead of engaging with the saw anymore.
I just need to know where they are. We have one more in the tree fort building. One more in tree house. Tree house. I do not have a line of sight on him. LMG's down. Guys, straight at my 12, straight at my 12. I'm backing up. He's in my med. I have to back up. Straight at my 12.
This is the end of the game for me, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had such a blast out here with my nephew, and I'm really hoping that he comes back and continues. Don't forget to subscribe down below and ring that notification bell. And thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time right here on Runner Runner Airsoft.
What'd you think?
They're flanking up here on the left. They didn't know I was in the middle. So
Did you get him?
I shot like 3 of them.
Attaboy! Attaboy! So, after action report, how was your first game of Airsoft?
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, 10 out of 10 would do again?
20.
20, okay. 20 out of 10, he would do again. Yes. All right. Whew. Oh.